my strength is gone, when my heart feels torn, when the night is long, Lord, hold me. I tried to be strong on my own, but the weight was too much to carry. Smiles on the outside, inside I'm barely breathing. Tears fall in the quiet, questions flood my mind. Where are you, Lord? Can you hear my cry? When the pain won't let me sleep, and the silence feels so deep, I whisper your name, Jesus. Hold me when I'm weak, carry me when I can't stand. Wrap me in your mercy, take me by the hand. When my heart is breaking and I don't understand, hold me when I'm weak, Lord. Hold me again. I trusted, I believed, but the storm still came. Pieces of my heart scattered in the rain. Friends walked away, dreams faded slow, but you Even weakness sings, because in my weakness your power breathes. Hold me when I'm weak, carry me through the fire. When my heart is weary, you lift me higher. You're my healer, you're my peace, you're my comfort in the stormy seas. Hold me when I'm weak, that's all I need. Hold me. When I rise again, stronger than before, I'll remember who held me on the broken floor. You